Hi guys, it's your girl Shanique. Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be making some green juice. So I've got a few green ingredients here and it's just going to be a real quick video. So as you can see, we have some apples, some kiwi, some spinach, and in my jar I have some spirulina. So spinach is a source of vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin B2, magnesium, iron. It's compact with goodness basically, and vitamin K is important to maintain good bone health. So today we're just gonna blend up some goodness and try pack up my body with the good things them. So I have also some kiwis, and kiwis, they boost the immune system and aid in digestion. And also the spirulina is rich in nutrient, just like the spinach. It has lots of protein, lots of vitamins and iron, and antioxidant properties. Also, coconut water. Coconut water it reduces your blood pressure and it's good for quite a few things as well. And you know, Jamaican people love say drink some coconut water and wash off your heart. So let's get right into the video now. So I have 2 green apples and I just cut them small. Just gonna blend everything in one go. And I have 4 kiwis. And I cut them small. Hopefully everything can fit in my blender. And I washed all these. This was like a handful of baby spinach. And yeah. Oops. Is it going to work? Let's see. And this spirulina is finishing it. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of this. This is spirulina powder. So just 1 tablespoon. So this is all I could get. I don't really like this brand, but yeah, coconut water will do. It is 330 mils. It has some bits in there as well. Don't know if you guys can see them. So if this isn't enough liquid, then I'll add like 50 mils of normal water. But let's try and work with this first and see what happens. So guys, look how green this is. I'm going to add the juice of 1 lemon to it, and I just tasted it. It tastes all right. It's not fresh or anything, but you could add like 2 tablespoons of honey in there to give it a bit more flavor, because honey is also beneficial to our health as well. It's good for us. So I poured the juice of 1 freshly squeezed lemon. I'm just gonna blend it again for just a couple seconds to incorporate the lemon in the mixture. I should have put the lemon in earlier, but I forgot. be enough. So you blend all the ingredients for like 2 to 3 minutes, and this is the result. Very quick and easy, and as I mentioned earlier, these ingredients are packed with nutrients. So that's that. Let me see if I'm going to drink it without yeah, I don't think I'm going to put any onion there. It's very nice. Just kiwi, spinach, green apple, lemon, and that's it. Tasty, tasty. Okay guys, please do give this drink a try and let me know if in the comment section if you like the taste of it and if you notice the benefits of it once you start making it regularly. Anyways, thanks for stopping by. Take care, God bless. Until my next video, don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye.